Every site with a contact section needs a map, right? Well, not every site, but if you have a business and you want to show a location to your business, you probably want to include a map. There are many options to do that within WordPress and in Brizy. Both in the free and pro version, we have an element that does it very easy, bringing in a map on your site. So let's do that. Go up to add elements and you will just scroll down 3 lines to map, click and drag to where you want it to be on your page. Let's have a look at what's happening when we bring it in. Click on the map and the first thing you will see on the far left is the little icon for the map, and it will allow you to put in an address over here. I'm going to double click in it and let's say something like the Golden Bridge, and it's going to find that within the Google directory there is the Golden Bridge, which takes us to the Golden Bridge in Vietnam. Okay, that's definitely not where we wanted to go, so let's say San Francisco and see what that does for us. And now we're at the right place. Okay, so if you want to open your coffee shop on the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco and not in Vietnam, make sure you give it a little bit more of details. As you can see, there's some dynamic content stuff in there, which we will get to later here at the Brizy YouTube channel. That is it. Then you have some other styling options and sizing options. Let's first have a look at the sizing options. Click on the element, and once you do so, you will see these little controls appear on the left and the right. The top left, right, bottom left and right all do the same. They basically reduce it uniformly. If you just want to reduce the width, you grab the handles on the sides and they will do so in proportion to the other. Now you have more control over that. And now if you want to align it to the left or to the right, you can do that over here by clicking on it, or on your keyboard you can hold Control Command and then with the arrow left and right you can also place it. I'm just holding Control on my keyboard, Command on a Mac, and using the right arrow key to cycle through it, and that will allow you to just easily assign the alignment for this map. We jump back to the map icon just to have a look quickly at the styling option up here. This will allow you to add a border with some corners if you would like to. You can also set the zoom for your map. If you want to zoom out and have a bigger bird's eye view of where your shop is located, or if you want to get close up and personal, you take it all the way to the right. And it seems that one apparently is not on the bridge, it's somewhere in the water. What is great about this element within the free and pro versions of Brizy is that you don't need any additional things to add like an API key. You can just use it straight out of the box.